Welcome to this video exploring the divide within artificial intelligence, specifically between artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI, and artificial general intelligence, or AGI. We are defining the intelligence spectrum today, mapping the progress from current AI capabilities to the exciting future vision of general intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI, performs a single task under limited constraints, making it widespread today. Artificial general intelligence, or AGI, is the theoretical ability to learn, understand, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks at a human level. ANI is the specialist, excelling because it is hyper-optimized for specific domains using deep learning and massive datasets. However, ANI lacks the, transfer learning ability inherent to humans, meaning it cannot easily perform tasks outside its training scope. We see ANI in action today in game mastery like AlphaGo, NLP models such as GPT-4, security systems, and personalized recommendation algorithms. AGI is often referred to as the Holy Grail of AI. It represents the potential to transcend task-specific logic and achieve universal reasoning. AGI is the generalist, possessing human-level versatility. It would be able to think, reason, and act like a human, solving problems it was not specifically trained for, and possessing self-awareness. A comparative analysis shows ANI is domain-specific, requires retraining for adaptability, and is widespread. AGI is universal, adapts innately, involves abstract thought, and is currently theoretical. When comparing machine versus human capabilities, machines overwhelmingly lead in calculation speed and memory recall. Humans currently lead in abstract reasoning, emotional intelligence, creativity, and originality. Expert predictions suggest the path to AGI is transitioning from linear to exponential. While we are currently focused on foundation models, some predict AGI could be achieved as early as 2035. Critical challenges for AGI include the astronomical compute and energy demands for training, the need for AI alignment to ensure goals are consistent with human values, and a hardware leap to achieve brain-like efficiency.